here, back with another video. And today is the 5th of December, so let's get our gift, and we get a tall holly planter. I guess that's pretty cool. Oh, I need to definitely go check out my latest video, testing my beauty on Animal Jam. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyway, let's see what is new okay, nothing. But yeah, I guess this is pretty cool. I mean, not the best prize, but we're working towards it. And someone also said that there's new stuff in the diamond shop. And there is! It's a candy bow and arrow. Huh. Wait, what one would go well with this? I guess this one. I guess, pretty much. But yeah, in last episode, I just won spending all my diamonds, but only if I knew. Yeah, nothing else has come out. Oh! But yeah, loads of new stuff's coming out, because I like, why wouldn't new stuff come out? Because I'm just checking all the stores. Well, not all the stores, the popular stores, the ones. But I'm just trying every store, guys. I don't know why. It's just that. Oh my god. Okay. I am. Okay, wait, what? Okay. Whoa! Yes, guys, it's your holiday tail robots are back. I might buy this one to go with my look. Maybe this look, because I like this look. I'm proud. Proud. Nicola Piccola. Oh my god, such a pretty name! Anyway, what one could go well? This look. Okay. I guess none of them. Okay. Unless maybe I switch the colors around. Okay, so if we just go here, and then for the ibex horn, choose this one. Wait, and then for, instead of brown cupid wings, and I forgot that, okay, we'll use these cupid wings, and for the shoes, maybe I'll just wear those. And then, yeah, wait, what about for the neck? What could we do for the neck? What should I do for the neck? Okay, I'll find something. I will definitely find something. Anyway, let's make this look. I just don't think that the leg stuff goes. I could be wrong, but then I have a really bad fashion taste, so. Wait, if I just switch the colours around. Does this look good? I don't really know. I think it's better the other way. So if we go for here, I mean, those would go well, but really no. I'll have to find something. I mean, like, I don't know what, but I will find something. See if anyone's got anything. Anyone's got anything? If I just go back to here, maybe if I go up here, maybe I can find something to go in here. I'll have to think about that. Let's just look at everyone's trade list and see if they have anything. I could message some of my buddies, but then yet again, I don't really know. I could buy something at the parties. Okay, it's not on for another 39 minutes. Oh, I don't know. I'm so picky though. I can't believe that there's like nothing, completely nothing that can actually go on my feet. If I do that, but okay, let's try one with this. So manly. I'm just experimenting. Wait, if we go back to Epic 1, I know I'm just being so much of a I'm being so much of a picky person, but I really want to make the perfect look. Okay, I think I can make a good look with this one. And then maybe if I could just put the black short. Maybe I can put like a pirate sword. And then I can put that. And then, for the finishing touch, make that white. Oh, yes, guys. I am the best at making looks. I am literally the best person. Like, always come to me. But no one can really beat, Wisteria Moon. She's off the charts for making looks. I mean, if you just scroll through her animals, you can just tell that she takes time. But anyway, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you really should get this tall holly planter. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.